It's healthy oat and fruit muffins, and you can add whatever type of fruit you want. We're going to add apples. The first thing that we do, this is a little weird, we have dry ingredients, but this time we have oats, and the oats have to get soft. 1 cup of oats. Okay. And
1 cup
with those oats, and our oats have a few raisins in them.
I like oats, Mom. I like oats.
Now we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk to this. Okay, we got to get it all out.
Do you know the difference of buttermilk and buttercream? Buttercream is cream,
I like butter.
and buttermilk is liquid.
Yeah, buttercream is frosting, like for cakes. Okay, so we got 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of oats, 1 egg,
And in another video,
half a cup of olive oil,
Mom, I like
and half a cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Ooh, it looks so good.
Mom. Ooh,
You think I could see that?
so
The camera's all the way
good.
over there. So we're in our pajamas.
And the baby's he's gonna mix
so
up the other.
good.
Here's my little brother.
Have 1/2 a cup of whole wheat flour, because these are healthy for us, right?
These are very
And
healthy.
you mix. Be gentle, okay? And a half a cup of regular flour. But we gotta mix over here, boys. Ooh.
Baking soda.
Yep. So we have 1 teaspoon of baking
Soda.
powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Put that in, and we'll mix it. Now we're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt.
Salt. Why
And,
salt?
and salt gives everything flavor. Even when you bake something sweet, you gotta add salt. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Okay,
Okay.
I make cinnamon. Oops, sorry.
Mix it up. All right, so now we have our oats that have been soaking in the wet ingredients.
And let's add our dry ingredients.
And now we have our dry ingredients, right?
Can we add them? I knew it. What if we get dry ingredients, we can add, and we make a mixture of them, we always add to the wet ingredients unless we have to cook dry ingredients, like we did with the Oreos.
So now carefully mix in, we have 1 large apple. I like to make these with blueberries. We have a muffin pan that we grease, do half a scoop, okay? We finished portioning out our muffins, and we're gonna bake this in a preheated 450-degree oven for 20 minutes. At 20 minutes, we will check it, we'll see if they're browning, and we'll stick a toothpick or a butter knife in the center to make sure that it is cooked through. And if it needs more time, we'll give it another 5 to 10 minutes.